Welcome, viewers. In the spirit of transparency, I have to show you how I make my music. This is a new music. I want you to make your music like that. Yeah, this is the music from Ijebu land. It's an ethnic music that I decided. I'm not a musician, but I decided to play this music because that's what we grew up with. We are initiated. I'm not a musician. I was initiated, born into music. So if I don't do it, I'll be doing myself an injustice. You see what I mean, viewers? Welcome back. Respect. All right. We got the guitar. Then I use my Kugi as djembe. We gotta make something for Lagos. It's gotta be sweet. So sweet. So let's put we can put a primer to it. Obambata. We use that. We can. All this. Opambata has to be for yo. Then I need something for water, something that will sound like water. Then I put a song. Eyo, baba tawa tó fi góòlù ṣeré. Eyo baba tawa tó fi góòlù ṣeré. That's an element there. Then another thing I want to put in the music is Èkó ilé aromisa lẹ́gbẹ́. Èkó ilé aromisa lẹ́gbẹ́. See this rehearsal. I'm rehearsing. You know, it's this impromptu. We got the mix. We got the brew. It's going on great. So we got to put things that will make it sweet so that people can dance. So I'll keep you posted. Viewers. Thank you for listening. This is a song that will be for Lagos, the best city in the world for me. I love Lagos. Èkó ilé. I gotta do. Èkó ilé. Èkó ta. Èkó ilé. Èkó ilé. Damn.